your new video on your fourth lesson, and these are the last topic of the lesson, and after that your lesson is going to be completed, and after that I will give you the pictures of your exercises and question answers, so that you can also complete these question answers and exercises in your book and notebook. Okay, you have to just simply complete the exercises in the book, and after that complete the question answer in the notebook. Okay, you are not supposed to write the exercise in notebook. Okay, if you write the exercise, I will tear that all the pages. Okay, so you just simply only you have to write question answers in the notebook. Okay, and exercise in the book. Okay, so many times I will just simply tell you that the exercise are written in book and question answer in notebook. So let's start with our new topic, that applying border and shading, and after that inserting cover page. Okay, so we are going to discuss about that how we simply apply border. Okay, likewise this board you can just simply watch, and the frame of that board is like aluminum. So likewise you can also give a frame, the border. Okay, likewise you can also give the border to your document, so that they can also look like a very professional. So if you are just simply going to apply these border and shading option, so you have to just simply first you have to know that what is border and shading. After you have to just simply know the steps, or that how to just simply by following these steps you got the border and shading option. Okay, so to improve the appearance and liability of your text, we can add a variety of border and shading effect to paragraph and the entire page. You can also just simply, when you just give a very professional or a very enthusiastic look to your document, then you have to simply apply the border and shading option, so that it will look like very much good than, or much better than before. Okay, when you simply add a border over there, okay, you will find that suppose in my video when I am just going to be edited it, then in the first of the video, when you just simply open that the introduction. First, the introduction of the video, that on which topic my video is. Okay, now after that I will just simply give my introduction, that who I am, and after that you will just simply watch that there is a floating window over there which shows my name and my subject, that computer by Pradyuman sir, and after that you will find a logo there, so that you can watch that what type of channel, YouTube channel you are watching, and after that in the last of the video I am just simply appealing you to subscribe or like or share this videos and other things. So all these things make my video a very give a very professional look, but not so professional, but still give us some professional look. Okay, so as per my things, you can also change your document with the help of this border and shading option to give a very professional look. So the first point, or the first step, that select the text, click on the drop down arrow next to the border and shading button in the paragraph group on the home tab. You have to simply select that particular text that you wanted to change. Okay, you just simply give a border over there. So after selecting that text, you will go over the home tab and find there is a paragraph group. Okay, and in the paragraph group you have to just simply find the border and shading button, and after clicking over there, there is a drop down menu in front of you, and after just simply what the drop down menu, you have to just select the border and shading option from the displaying list. The border and shading dialog box will appear as shown in 4.1 figure. Okay, figure 1.4. Likewise this, when you just simply click over there, you just simply get a border and shading dialog box, which will just simply open or appear in front of you with a pop-up style. And after that, now set the border style according to your need or desire. Okay, or that the style that you want to change, you have to just simply select the style from there. Okay, and after selecting the style, you just simply choose the box option under the settings section, select the line style under the style list box. Okay, you can just simply select the select the borderline style that you want, the dress or the arrow or any other style, and after that you can also choose the color here. Okay, or after choosing the, you can also choose the thickness or thinness of that line. You can also select that from that drop down list, and after all this selection, click over the drop down list of color and select any color. Means you can also select any color of that particular border line. Okay, after selecting this, choose the line width, means the thickness of the line. You can also increase or decrease with the help of that list, and after that click on the drop down list of apply to, and after here just simply click over the apply to, and after that the selected paragraph option, click over the OK and observe the change. Means when you just simply click over the OK button, a border will appear likewise this. Okay, a border will appear in front of you in your document. That will give you a very professional look and attract any other pupil who will just simply watch this. Means in this box, the user or that reader think that there is a very special note in this box, and he will just simply watch or read that paragraph first. Okay, suppose when you are just purchase a book or a comic, in the bottom of that page you will just simply find there is such type of box over there, and there are some quizzes or some questionings out there. So you have to just simply read these first. Before reading this, you have to just simply read first this. Okay, and after solving these quiz and puzzles and question answer, after that you will read these all the stories. Okay, so whatever is just simply in the border or in this box will attract the reader first. Okay, now inserting the cover page. Cover page means the full border. Okay, the full border of means the edges of the page. Okay, you can also select the style of the cover of that page, so that it will look very impressive or very professional. Now MS Word provide a gallery of pre-designed cover page. To add cover page to your document, follow these steps. Means there are pre-designed cover page over there. You can also customize your page design also there, so that you can also make such type of there. So if you wanted to select the cover page over there, you can also follow these such type of steps, so that you can insert a cover page in your document. And after selecting the cover page, you can got that all the pages that you typed over the MS WordPad, you got that all the pages are just simply changed over that cover page, so that it will look like a very professional look. Likewise these pages, in the bottom of the page you will just simply find such type of design over there, so that we just simply like it very most. Okay, so we are going to discuss that how we just simply inserting the cover page. That first you have to just the first point is that go to the insert tab in the page group and select the cover page. Means you have to just simply select the cover page from the insert tab. You have to just simply click over the just beside the home tab, you find that there is a tab naming insert tab, and after clicking over there you will simply select the page group, and after selecting that there is the option of cover page. Clicking over the cover page, a built-in gallery of option will appear. Means there is again a pop-up window will just simply, or might be a drop-down menu will just simply appear in front of you, which will give you some galleries of pre-designed or pre-installed cover pages to your MS WordPad 2010 documents. Okay, and after that click over a desired cover page. Means you have to choose a cover page from there that you like the most, and after selecting that most liked cover page, you will find that the selected cover page will be applied to the document. After replace the sample text with your own text by clicking on the area of the cover page that you selected, such a title or subtitle. Okay, you can also there are, as I told you, there are many more pre-designed cover page. You can also choose the design or subtitle or title of that page also. Okay, means the cover page is the first or the front page of that document. Likewise, when you are simply preparing a file, then the first page of the file is the cover page. That in the first of the page or the top of the page, there is the name of the school, that is Sector Arts Secondary Academy Purahi. Okay, near Monsure and all these information. And after that, the pin code and other things. And after that, you have to simply write the name, class, subject, and after that submitted to means the teacher that you wanted to submit that file or that project. So that type of things are called first page or the cover page of that document or that file. And after that, all the pages just beyond that cover page look like that. Okay, so the border of that cover page is just got printed over all the pages over there. Okay students, so I think it's enough for today, and all the topics of today's video are going to be finished, and this fourth lesson is going to be finished. And I think all of you got the half-yearly syllabus. You will just simply got the scheme of half-yearly syllabus very soon, but don't worry about it. I will just simply send all the exercises and question answers very soon. So wait for it and stay tuned with me. But first of all, you will just simply subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly, and click over the like button and share this video with your colleagues and friends so that they can also get the such type of wonderful information about these topics. And after that, just simply again I am saying, after sharing the video and pressing the like button, so you can also suggest other guys, they can also subscribe my channel. And after that, okay students, okay, so stay tuned with me on my channel. Goodbye students.